everyone, this is Jared the Gamer here. We're playing Obby Rush. This is literally the third attempt because I've been messing it up because it's my first ever video ever. So I may have a couple wins, aka 3, because of the other attempts I accidentally stopped recording by accident. So time to get back into the game and hope you guys enjoy. Now let's get into it. And if you guys want to see any more of this game, leave a like and subscribe and comment more. And then we'll play more of the game. And if you follow me, you can follow me on Roblox. You'll be able to join my games until everyone joins, until it's match players. I'm going to pause the video for now until this round's over, because it's boring for you guys, and then you guys have to wait 53 seconds. Now, see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back. It's now intermissioning, but you can wait for the intermissioning, can't you guys? Because then we get to have some fun in the lobby. I don't know why I did that. I didn't do that at first. Time to mess around in the lobby for a bit, you know? There's a ball pit. Let's jump in the ball pit. Whee! Oh, this isn't that good. Let's go on the trampoline. What? Oh, there we go. Ouch! I'm banging my head. I'm not going to do that. Yo, these are fun in real life. I like these. Oh, yo, can you jump up here? Yeah, you can, definitely. Yes, go! Oh, okay. Oh, this is a cool looking one. Oops, I messed that up for myself there. Oh, I need to get off. Oh my god, I don't like this first part though. I also hate those type of jumps. By the way, everyone, if I'm a bit quiet whilst doing an obby, it's because I need to concentrate on the obbies. And I need to get as much, and I need to try to win as much times as possible, just in case if you guys want me to play it again, then we'll be cut one step closer to having 100 wins. It may take a couple episodes for us to reach 100 wins, but we can do this. If you hit that like button and subscribe. Wait, they fell off the edge. I was wondering then. Also, leave a comment if you use shift lock on obbies. I use it on some obbies. Right now, I'm using recently I've been using it a lot because it helps me a lot with obbies and all that, and I play obbies quite recently now. I have been. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this thing because it's way too hard. At least I came second, and I can nearly afford maybe a new one of these at some point. Oh, actually, it's probably gonna take me a while actually to get this first thing. How much is that most expensive one of these? 15,000? We could reach this if we get a lot of wins. Everyone, I'm so sorry to say this, but as it's my first ever video ever, I'm gonna have to end the video here because I have other stuff to do, you know. But don't forget to hit that like button down below in the description and don't forget, most importantly, to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button. Punch it real hard. Now, see you in the next video. Bye.